We are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 1. We're on the part of the project called Slide 4. We'll go ahead and select the fourth slide as we begin. Task 1 wants us to go ahead and add a shape below the list on the left side of the slide. We're going to select the speech bubble rectangle with rounded corners. So what we want to do is, now that we're on the fourth slide, we'll go ahead and click the Insert tab here at the top. We're in the Illustrations group. We want to go ahead and select Shapes. We're looking in the callout section. It says speech bubble rectangular with rounded corners. This is it. So we'll go ahead and select that, and we'll go ahead and just click here because we're going to make some changes to it. With this selected, we have the Drawing Tools Format tab here at the top. We want to go ahead and change the height to 1.56. We'll hit Enter to set that. And then we're also going to change the width here to 3.04. We'll hit Enter when we're done typing that. It wants us to go ahead and apply the intense effect, olive green accent 4. So with this shape selected, we're in the Shape Styles group. We're going to go ahead and click the More drop down here. And what we're looking for is Intense Effect, Green Accent 4. Make sure you hover until you find it. We'll go ahead and select that. And then we're going to go ahead and add the text, Going Green Helps Everybody. What we can do is just double click in this shape, and it's faint, but you can see my I-beam flashing in there. Go ahead and type the exclamation mark on this because it's part of our quotation. And then what we want to do is just click out of the shape. We'll go ahead and check that we completed the task. This task wants us to go ahead and add an image into our Write Content box. So we'll put our cursor in here. And if you look here very faintly, you can see some icons. What we want to go ahead and select is this one, Pictures. We'll map to our GMetrix Templates folder, and we'll select Energy Star. We'll go ahead and insert this image. It tells us to apply a style to this, the Reflective Perspective Right. So with this image selected, we'll go to the Picture Tools Format tab here at the top. We're in the Picture Styles group. We want to click the More dropdown. We'll select Reflective Perspective Right. We also need to add alt text to this image. There are a few ways to do this. You can right click, or you can go to the alt text here at the top. This update has changed a little bit. Normally you have a title and a description here, but we don't have that option. We'll go ahead and type in this box, Energy Star, and we'll close out of this box. We'll go ahead and check that we completed the task.